How to fix SoundCloud loading error. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you guys how you can easily fix your SoundCloud loading problem. So the first thing you're going to have to do is long press on the SoundCloud app and then tap on the I button to go to its app info. Once the app info is open, just go to permissions and make sure all of these permissions are allowed first. Go back and then head over to storage. From here, try to clear out cache, and if you want, you could also try to clear the entire data. It will completely refresh the app, and you're going to have to sign in again. But this does not delete your saved or the things that you have in your library, so you don't have to worry about it. Now go to battery and make sure that the battery usage is on unrestricted or optimized. Go back and then force stop the app once, because if there is something going on in the background, it might be causing the problem. So it's a good idea to always force stop the app to restart it again. After doing this, just give your phone a quick restart and your SoundCloud should start working fine. But if somehow you still face a problem, then the only option here is to uninstall SoundCloud and then reinstall it back again. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, be sure to hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you on the next one.